Hi, my name is Sage Foley, and I'm a designer and seamstress that works in film, fashion, and theater. My studio is such an important part of how I work every single day. I have taken a lot of time to organize it to make sure that I can work as quickly and as efficiently as possible. So today I thought I would give you guys a little studio tour so I can give you a glimpse into where I work every single day when I'm working from home. So here you can see the overview of this sewing studio. As you can see, I keep it very tidy. There's not a lot going on. It actually looks kind of boring, I think. Here's my desk. Really all I have on my desk is my computer, my planner, you can see my camera bag down there, and then above the desk I have my little thread holder. Now you see I have a closet there, that's just where I kind of put like extra supplies and tools I'm not using. And then over here I have my two industrial machines. I've got my Juki straight stitch right here, and then over there I have my industrial serger. Now over here you can see my ironing table where I have my industrial iron by Hot Steam. I've also got my two hams there, and then I put the bladder of my iron on an IV pole. Below the pressing table, I have my hem marker on the right there and my grommet press on the left. I've got this little 2-drawer organizer that I just kind of store common fabrics I use in. So here's my muslin drawer, and then the bottom drawer has structure fabrics, so like horsehair, canvas, coutil, things like that. Now this door has the downstairs bathroom behind it. Not much to say about it. This is just one of the bathrooms in my apartment. Next to the bathroom, I have the drawers that all my sewing supplies are in. You can see French curves hanging on that side, and rulers and measuring tapes hanging on that side. On top, I have a thing of needles, my tailor's tracing thread, and my pins. This top drawer has office supplies in it. Pins, markers, pencils, tape, things like that. The second drawer has all of my kind of art supplies, so I have paint, I have my fabric paint, paint brushes. The next drawer is my drafting drawer, so I have my scissors, I have some friction, pens, my pattern notcher, things like that. This one is kind of more general sewing supplies, so I have pliers, I have extra bobbins, I have ribbon, some boning in the back there. In this drawer I have all of my closures, which I've put into a little like bead organizer. So I have them organized by size, like black snap male size 3, black snap female size 3, and so on. And then on the side there I also have safety pins. The next drawer I have embellishment things, so I have beads, I have studs, I have little flowers, pearls, lots of things in this drawer. In this drawer, I just kind of have random stuff. I've got serger thread, backstock, pearls, and chain. This drawer, I literally just have paper and lint rollers. And then that drawer is empty. I don't know what to put in that drawer. And then to the right of that, I have 2 of my 3 dress forms. So that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that was helpful. If you're maybe wanting to set up your studio, let me know if you have any questions. I would love to answer them. Hi, so I just wanted to touch base because I was gone for 4 months. As you can see, I have a new background that I'm talking in front of, and that's because I actually moved out of my last place and into a new place. So the past 4 months have been really crazy, really busy. I really haven't had time or like the mental energy to record a video. I had to pack everything, I had to move to the new place, I had to unpack, and actually during that time I started working again. I had been on furlough for a really long time because of the pandemic, and so just the past 4 months have been really busy, and because I was so new to YouTube, I hadn't made kind of a backlog of buffer videos for myself. I am currently in the process of getting a bunch of videos made and uploaded and ready, scheduled to be posted. so that a big gap like that won't happen again. Just because I wasn't physically like uploading videos and posting them on the channel doesn't mean that I haven't been reading your guys' comments and replying, and I just want to say that I really do appreciate all of the kind words you guys have said. It's been nothing but really positive and an outpouring of support, and so it's just kind of encouraged me to keep doing this and to keep posting videos. So I have a lot of really awesome things planned. I have a ton of videos scheduled, filmed already, edited, and I'm gonna create a huge buffer for myself so that life hopefully won't get in the way of kind of making these videos again. So thank you again so much for watching. I hope you loved the studio tour, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Bye!